Yet another new strain of the coronavirus in the UK, this one with origins in South Africa, and the Health Secretary announced immediate action to stop it spreading.
We've detected 2 cases of another new variant of coronavirus here in the UK. Both are contacts of cases who have travelled from South Africa over the past few weeks. First, we are quarantining cases and close contacts of cases found here in the UK. Second, we're placing immediate restrictions on travel from South Africa. And finally, and most importantly, anyone in the UK who has been in South Africa in the past fortnight, and anyone who is a close contact of someone who's been in South Africa in the last fortnight, must quarantine immediately.
The variant called 501v2 has caused a surge of infections in parts of South Africa. It has a higher transmission rate and may be more prevalent in the young. Significantly, the mutations could enable the virus to elude antibodies from a previous infection.
That has the potential to mean that people can get reinfected, potentially. And that's something that we're actively studying at the moment to see how many of the recent infections and the cases that are coming through are possibly reinfections.
And what about the vaccine?
We're trying to very rapidly understand what the implications are for the vaccines.
Scientists are still getting to grips with the UK variant. There's still no evidence that it causes more serious disease, but it has spread nationwide with a higher proportion found in children. That could make control more difficult if schools are allowed to reopen in January.
Mostly during the lockdown period in November, you see a statistically significant increased proportion of cases in under 15-year-olds for the variant compared with the non-variants. Children are now more like adults in their infectiousness than they were with the previous strains. That will pose greater risks of in transmission involving children mixing with each other. And potentially there are challenges there for particular types of control measures and what we want to do with schools.
The chance emergence of 2 new variants that evolved thousands of miles apart underlines the importance of rolling out the vaccine worldwide. The pandemic isn't over until it's over everywhere, or the virus could come back to haunt us. Thomas Moore, Sky News.